I hear the sweet, sweet sound of heaven. Mike Jagger and Lady Gaga in an ultimate Panta Ainai laugh, described by Mozart. I hear the sweet sound from heaven sinking on earth. Do not spoil this sound. If you want a golden future, then you have to give the children a golden youth. Let no woman and child going hungry tonight. Please protect them from their pain and their hurt. Let us hear now a musical statement of Mike Jagger, Mozart. Now, Lady Gaga will answer, but you will be very surprised. It is an immense beauty. Let us hear. Mike Jagger says again the same musical statement, and Lady Gaga she says the same in a more lovely way. Let me play it on another instrument so one can hear it more clearly. It is more bright. It is more lovely. But she will not end up with loveliness. She has gone beyond loveliness. Somewhere nobody knows. She has found the silver bell. And suddenly in the answer, she will use this silver bell. And one thing more very surprising is that she does not answer in a normal way. Her answer is a total accordance. The heart of Mike Jagger and Lady Gaga are one. Panta Ainai. She just repeats the same statement, but in a more bright, in a more lovely way. Now Lady Gaga continues. What will Mike Jagger do? Ha! Certainly a little bit more heavy. Uh-huh. But now he wants move a little bit more towards loveliness. and plays the same thing as Lady Gaga did sing before with an additive decoration. And Lady Gaga goes higher in happiness, brightfulness, friendliness, heartfulness. And they both come to a peaceful, heartful rest. Fixed to bodily pleasures you will never find hidden treasures. Now Mick Jagger starts heavier. You saw she was in perfect accordance. The higher melody was her voice. But no, Mick Jagger and Mozart, they say. Do you think Lady Gaga is scared of it? No, no. She has the same heartful heaviness in her. She knows this. But she expresses it, as you will see, in her own way. What does she say now? You see, she expresses a pain, but her heartfulness makes the pain smaller and smaller. Here she says, already brighter. Brighter. This is the heartfulness that makes the heavy less heavy. Then to the people in the room, she says verbally and then musically, who loves the rock never will laugh in vain. Love the rock never laughs in vain. Love the rock. Love the rock. Then people in the room look at each other a little bit strange. Then Lady Gaga answers, and this love the rock, and you will see. Love you will see. This trio of Mozart is a part of a minuet. And this minuet is a part of a very famous sonata After this comes the minuet, and at the end the alla turca. A very important thing I like to add in this deep laugh, one can find deeper and deeper empathy. I, as a small child, have started to grow empathy. I played piano blindly. So my whole energy was in playing and feeling Ludwig van Beethoven. This feeling of the composer, more and more and more developed, certainly helps the laugh of a loving couple. And not only this, it allows to grow the empathy to far away people, perhaps dying in darkness soon, perhaps dying in a tunnel in the fire soon. So the person of well-developed empathy can arrange it to be there before the hell has started. And Mozart is doing a very good contribution. That the woman does not answer by opinion, but by affirmation. The heart is truly one, Panta einai. There is nothing to be discussed. There is nothing to be discussed. There is oneness. Unfortunately, in almost all countries, the growth to this precious thing is cut off. Perhaps one day one stops to cut off the most magnificent.